Oh. Oh, we have nothing on. Why is that not being captured? Wait, let me turn my end. That's much better. Okay, why is that not up? Hello? Minecraft, please? Oh, it just doesn't want to... Okay, that's awesome. I love that. Is there something over it? No. Anyway, hey everybody. I'm in the Black Void today. I don't know why that's not working. Can I refresh this? Never had this happen before. That's awesome that it's happening today. I'm gonna remove it and then just add it back. Oh, okay. Sure. That's awesome. It just doesn't want to work. I love that. Because it's like, what about that? Wow, okay, there we go. I don't know why that changed it. But you know what? It works, so who care? Who care? Alright. Off to a great start for today, I see. Really promising start to the stream. Anyway, hey guys. I'm gonna code some. We're gonna do some coding. We're gonna code it up even. Listening to Star Fox Adventures. Hey Bug, how's it going? Oh, big stretch. Oh, you have an ad. That's so sad. I wish I could just get rid of the ads. But sadly, I cannot do that. Okay, my desktop audio is like really loud. Let's pull that down a little bit. There we go. Ads suck. I wish I could turn them off. I tried to turn them off, but guess what I can't do? I can't turn off all the ads. You used math today? Let's fucking go. What kind of math did you use? I use math a lot. Okay, we get to check on my bees. For game dev. Oh, Trig? That's awesome. Yeah, Trig is very useful for game dev stuff, honestly. Okay, I need to take these sharpening drones and add them to this filter. I have to turn this down a little. And then turn it up for you guys. There we go. Trig is pretty cool. Like, I wish that people would teach Trig with, like, vectors, just like, who gaff about triangles? Just teach it with vectors and people will be, like, into it, I swear. Are any of these things that I need to save? Do I have ancient drones? Sorry, we're only gonna do bees for a little bit. I just want to check on my... No, ancient is good. It's red, sorceress, mystical, wintry, tropical... Okay. I think we're good, because I think I just added saffron and this other one. I should... Oh god, the combs! Okay, we need to add some extra bee power in here. Oh, well, that's why. Okay. I gotta take out saffron real quick. Get rid of that. So then I think we should be good to go. It should take all those guys out of there. None of these are mystic, right? Unusual, unweary. Yeah, mystic is like, it's like a green, but I forget what green they are. I could also put demonic in there, but like, we're not stabilized on demonic, so it's fine. Okay, we gotta do some coding. I actually need to, like, we need to look at some stuff before. We need to run some tests. We need to go to the liminal space that I've created to run said tests. We're gonna go to the mining dimension. So, I've been playing around with the bots because I've wanted to kind of create more of like just a big square. I don't like having bits that are, you see like up in the minimap, you see how it's not a big square, there are like a bunch of missing parts, and like over here too. I've just been trying to make it more open, and oh, I have a message. Please wish me some luck for planning. I'll try and join. Hope errors I won't read. Yeah, that I'm rooting for you. You got this. I believe in you. It's not anything about you. It's just luck, probably part of it. Okay, so one of the things is I'm not sure if all the bots are running the same code. I think they are, because I think I updated them all, but like I kind of don't trust it. These torches are like where I need to place the bots to continue the line, like clearing out in this path, but I want to just test to see. So we're going to just test, and we're just going to run Rev, and we'll see how he fares, because I think there are some bugs, but I can't tell if they're from lag or not. This is already pretty promising. Like, I was getting bugs where they would be destroying those torches, like, out here. I don't know why. I'm just gonna put some torches out here and see if he destroys any of them, I guess. He shouldn't. Like, he's already not. But yeah, it was just really weird. I think it might just be because I had so many of them going at the same time, which doesn't really bode super well for my rednet plans, but it's okay. Yeah, so that's all good. I just want to also check, we gotta check the final ceiling, because for some reason they were like getting off-centered, but I also just might have accidentally loaded an older version of the code onto them. So, no, see, he's off-centered, he's off-centered. Okay, that's bad. He should not be off-centered. Okay, there's a bug. Okay. So, this bug is, I think he's moving too far. Oh, that's so bad. Wait, how did we revert? How did we revert this badly, chat? I thought we had fixed this bug. And I loaded it and it worked. Unfortunately, I can't play, sorry. Oh, no worries. This is the same bug we were having the last time. Oh man, this sucks. This sucks so bad. Oh, god damn it. Okay, so, yeah, man, that is an annoying thing. Because, oh, who could possibly be pinging me on Discord? Oh. Oh, I love that. I really like your art. It is cool. I didn't reply to it, but I saw it and I was like, I should reply to that, and then I forgot because brain bad. Look at this mess. Look at this tragedy. What is happening here? He's devolved. Poor little guy. How did I let this program run for so long? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, so, well, that's kind of comforting, is because the server just lagged out, and we can see that that didn't actually affect his digging. So, that's very good to know. Look at this travesty. Look at this absolute travesty. I'm so unpleased right now. Here, I'll reply so I don't forget later. Look at this absolute travesty. It's not on the bot. I'm not mad at the bot. I'm just disappointed in the code. So, what the hell happened? Is it going too far or not far enough? The bot got brain rot? Yeah, the code got brain rot. Okay, we have to watch again and be very astute, okay, everybody? We gotta, like... God damn it, my wall was looking so nice, too. I don't know how I didn't catch this. Like, what? Did I not update his code or something? Okay, well, we're gonna have to do it here. But, I mean, I needed to update the code for other reasons anyway that you will see, so this is actually kind of a good thing. So this is all good. This first layer is chillin'. We are absolutely balling out. But we just gotta look at the beginning of the second layer, which is annoying because it's like such a... We have to catch it, you know? We gotta, like, keep our eyes peeled. Okay. It's coming up soonish, so... Okay. So this is all good. Alright. Okay, goes up. Okay, we're... Okay, that was the setup. Okay, we're gonna dig the right route. This is great. We turn. And, okay. Wait, so this is just him with the non-updated code. In riddles I speak from now on, your task is grave and you're just one? It didn't rhyme. Wait, okay, I think this might actually just be the error, and we didn't update his code. Because I fixed this error. We found out that it was getting stopped because of the... because of the... the... in, setup turn? No. It might be in no. Yes. No. One of these. There's one that I changed. What was it? Not layer setup. It wasn't in row. I thought it was in setup turn. No, not setup, sorry, not setup turn. Row setup. Did I just, like, delete it? Chat, did I, like, delete this and then, like, didn't update it? Did I do it in this one? Yes, oh, I put it in this one, but I didn't update it in the other one, and then I must have copied dig, I guess? May not rhyme in the traditional sense, but in spirit, the flow's intense. That is fair. That's fair, you know? It's a vibe. Okay, so this is definitely a deprecated version. Why am I using gen test? Okay, chat, you gotta yell at me if I start writing in gen test. We only can write in dig.lua, because I'm gonna forget, and I'm gonna put it in gen test. So, setup.turn, turtle.forward, no. We have to detect first. I'm gonna, you know what? We're just closing gen test. I was gonna delete it, and then I was like, why would I do that? That's dumb. Okay. So, let me pop over to pastebin real quick. And I can also just check to see if this paste is, like, existing in the way it's supposed to be. We're just gonna go down. We're gonna go down to setup. Yep, it's the deprecated version. Okay, so that's good. That means it should work. But it's really funny to me that we, like, got it, I guess, and then, like... Oh, let me set up my little pastebin. Get that dig. Turtles with troubles, the struggle is real, but my Minecraft is broken and it won't heal. You know what this reminds me of? How, you know, like when you go to a mini golf place and like they have like, it's like a pirate mini golf place because there are so many pirate mini golf places, and they have like a like riddles for each hole. That reminds me of the kind of riddles that you're writing in a good way. Okay, let's see if this fixes it. I'm just putting these torches back in their proper places. I need to heal my pickaxe before we do a bunch of mining. I have to keep track of which bots have which algorithm on them too, because this one has the new dig algorithm on it, and all the old ones don't. But I should just update this one until we get it to the point where we're doing the entries, which, like, shouldn't be too bad, I say, and then it ends up being bad. Okay, I just turned off my mic. That's really funny. That's it's fine, I was doing that for a long time. It's okay, this stream is scuffed. I wasn't saying anything that important. We're just gonna fix we're gonna fix a pickaxe. We're gonna fix a pickaxe and then we're gonna drop off a bunch of stuff. I might as well just drop off all this stuff. Bink, 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 bink. That was humorous, I must admit, but in the end, it only lasted for a bit. I'm appreciating the commitment to rhyming. That was, if you are truly speaking, your issues are daunting. Oh, it's good. Okay, silver, poor. Okay, there we go. I really need to have a better system for my poor ingots, but it's fine. Okay, what else did I need? I forgot. The emeralds can go away. Alright, I think we're good there. So we'll pop back over to the mining dimension, and then... I don't really need to do that. We're just gonna jump there. Oh god, the shaders. Sorry, gamers. Now, where did I put my boy? Oh, he's over here. Drown him Friday? Oh, I do have water. How much water do I have? Enough to drown him Friday. That's a trick question. I got it. I got you. The waters you drink, I give you 3. You should hydrate to get more healthy. It's pretty good. I'm appreciating the riddle maxing on this stream. Yes, this is the Star Fox music that I remember. Okay, so let's do the next part of this, which is we need to take some user input. Because I need to have some user input. It is not Friday, I must say, but you should drink water any day. Okay, let's see. So, taking user input, computer craft. Okay, read. Nice. So read local input equals read, and then the letters are hidden by... One sec. Okay, we need to do read, so we'll get... I kind of want to just do it... Okay, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I kind of want to do it at the beginning, like pre-dig startup. We're gonna say user input. So we're gonna have a... Okay, we're gonna... I kind of want to print, like... I kind of want to concatenate this. How to... I feel like I should make this, like, nice at some point. I'm gonna say concatenate this at some point. Lol. So we want to print, enter desired size, X, Y, Z. So we're gonna get that, and then we're gonna get input equals read. Do I need to add anything else? String, the user's input. Okay. Cool. Oh, I see. Sorry, they have like an input. They have theirs as this. But that means that it'll hide it with that. But I don't really care about hiding it. So, X, Y, Z. The book on the stars? I do have that, yeah. I still have that. I actually wouldn't mind to, like, check out Astral Sorcery today if we get this done. Yeah, I'd be down. Okay, so we did this. We got the input. Now we need to figure out how to do substrings in Lua. Actually, you know, even before that, I'm just gonna print the input. We're gonna start with that. Very simple. And actually, I'm going to... Yeah, there's no reason to not just put it in this. I will try to log on today. If Minecraft dies again, I will make it pay. You know what it also reminds me of is... So when I was first learning coding, I did actually start... One of the first languages I was trying to learn was Python, because we had this big book on Python. And it was like kids learning Python. And one of the challenges was Dread Roberts' puzzle. And it was like a number guessing game where you would guess a number and it would tell you if it was like higher or lower. And you had like 4 or 5 tries to get it, and then you would get his treasure. And he talked in all riddles. And he was the Dread Pirate Roberts or something. Anyway, that's not related at all to doing substrings in Lua. But yeah, okay, I hit copy. I need to copy this. Control-C and Control-V are right next to each other, bro. Okay. So I just want to see what it prints out. And, like, it's a bonus because we'll be getting some extra materials out of doing this. Which, you know, I'm all for that. I'm really all for that. So let's put the bot where we need to put it, which is going to be here. And we're going to delete dig, and then that. And then we're going to dig. Enter desired size. So we're going to say, how far do we want our X? That's going to be 8, and then space 4 space 4. Okay, so it prints out 844. And the bot's already going. It's just doing its thing. Because, who gaff about us? Oh, I might have goofed that. Okay, I kind of goofed it. It's fine. He'll just keep going. Alright, so we have that. Let's try and figure out how we do substrings in Lua. That's a good start. Okay, substring Sij. Returns another string. Okay. receives 2 string arguments and returns a number. This number indicates the first position where this... Okay, that's fine. I just want... Okay, string length. Substring returns another string, which is a substring of S starting at I and running until J. Okay, I'm guessing it starts at 1. Because Lua arrays. So if we want to write a substring, we're going to say... I'm going to just print... We're going to print this. We're going to say... string sub, because Lua can't be normal. We want to say 1 to 1. Returns... Wait. Returns a prefix... Wait, what? If J is absent... Oh, a substring of S. Lol. Okay. Yes, that makes sense. Input. We have to put our string in. We're going to start at I, so 1 to 1, I guess. Oh, you couldn't see that. There we go. Yeah, so we're just going to print that. And then, because we know we have to... I mean, we don't really need to put spaces. No, we should definitely put spaces, because what if we want, like, 45 or something? Oh, my brain. Oh, it's going to be annoying to do that. Nah, it's fine, it's fine. We'll do this first, and then we'll fix it. Okay, put this into the paste bin, and we'll just see what it prints out. Oh, it's so classic. I love Star Fox music, man. This game is so awesome. I don't care about anybody who's like, oh man, Crystal the Fox, so hot. Who cares? I care about awesome Star Fox game. Why is there a torch here? Oh, there's a torch everywhere there. That's not a good sign. It's fine. I do have to fix that at some point. But we'll get there. That's not really a fixing thing. It's really just a... Okay, so delete dig. Put that in. And then we're going to dig. Okay, so the desired size is, what was it, 844. Okay, it attempted to call global stir sub, so we cannot call that. That is awesome. I love that for us. Did I spell it wrong? How do I... Predefined functions. ToString, print, toNumber. Wait, how do I get this? Wait, this is a library? How do I... First character has position 1. Okay, that's good. But it's not letting me call this function. Oh no, chat, we might have to... Let me pull this out into a new window with all this stuff so that I can show you on the code, on the site capture. Oh, yeah, nice. Okay, so it's saying that this function that I just called stir sub. I structure my rhymes inspiration from this. Do not ask questions, they will all miss. Sorry, I need to just like think for a second. Did I spell it wrong? STR. No, I'm just gonna copy it so that I know I'm not spelling it wrong. Nope, I didn't spell it wrong. Awesome. Okay, so that's... Okay, 8.3 for examples on string manipulation. Okay, maybe this is like a string sub function? String dot sub. It takes, okay, maybe string dot sub? Okay, let's try string dot sub. We'll try string dot sub. Okay, let's see. So I change that. I'll pop this into... I kind of want to have this in a gen test. I'm not gonna lie. What do you think, chat? Should I have it in gen test? Yeah. Yeah. I don't want to have to, like, have the... No. No. I'm gonna be strong. I'm gonna be strong. I'm gonna put this in my dig file. I don't know why I feel the need to be strong about it, but I don't want to... Okay, so 844. Well, let's go. Okay, okay, that's good, that's good, that's good. We stay winning, we stay winning. So we got the 8. We're gonna have to cast that to the thing. I saying thing. That's not very helpful. Okay, let's do this. We're gonna do little bits and pieces. So okay, let's try and figure out how to cast a string to a number Lua. To number. Perfect. So we don't need to print this. We're going to say input x equals to number string dot sub input. I might change this, but we'll do 1 1 for now, and then we can do the rest of these as input y. So input y is going to start at 3 and go to 3, and then input z is going to do 5 to 5 because we're skipping over those spaces. Okay, so I want to just make sure on mobile I am, so I can try to boot up Minecraft. Hope I won't cry. I hope it works for you too, Bug. I'm believing. I'm a believer. Alright, so we got our strings in here. I'm gonna just get rid of this. Can I, like, caps lock that? No. Maybe command, no. Awesome. Okay, normally using 84844. I had caps lock on. I think I need to sneeze. No, I'm good. Okay. Alright. Whew, I popped my jaw there. Head rush. Okay, paste bin. Sorry. I'm like all over the place with it. Here we go. Paste bin. Pop over to here. Delete, dig. Put the new dig in. Here we go. It's gonna be awesome. I really need some coal. That would be a good thing to get. I'm gonna put him here. And we're gonna say dig. And it's asking, so 844. Damn it. Okay. So to number does not work. Thanks, Lua. Oh my god, it's lowercase. Effort it takes to make a statement. When you only arrive, don't end up in the basement. Statement basement. That's like orange and door hinge. It's a slant rhyme, baby. Okay. Edit this. I really wish there was a program that just updated a paste bin. But, you know, that's a pipe dream. Hey, it's Rev! Actually, okay. I will say one thing. I was thinking, because you guys, like, basically already know that I'm going to do the ASMR. So I have another little thing planned for when you guys hit that goal. Just so you know. There's a surprise. There's a secret surprise. Okay, dig. 8, 4, 4. It's going. That's you, Rev. You're going. Slant rhymes are many. Some may get tired. Sorry to say, but it is required. We're doing a rhyming stream today. We're on rhyme lockdown. Only rhymes all the times. That one wasn't a very good one. I'm not a master like some. I don't really like to rhyme. I'm not gonna be honest. Like, I find it a little tedious. I'm the kind of guy to write poetry that's kind of just prose. I enjoy poetry writing, though. I still can't get over how, like, kind of fucked up this space looks. I kind of want to explore. Should we, like, go into a cave while that guy's doing his thing? I'm walking very slowly. I really don't need to walk this slowly. In a cave. Let's just, like, explore. Oh my gosh, there's a pigeon. I got jump scared in real life, like a Five Nights at Freddy's jump scare, by the way. I don't think I mentioned this. I have, like, I have a window right next to my desk, and it's, like, right on the roof of my house, and a squirrel came up and, like, put his hands up against the window and, like, came over. And I was like, oh my god. He jump scared me so hard. It was so loud. It's like the equivalent of, like, when a bird is, like, flying into a window or something, and you're like, oh my god, what was that noise? But it was a squirrel, and he was right there, trying to get me. It's like, damn, dude, it's okay. Chill out. Okay. cool, epic Damie story over. To rhyme in the style, I took an oath. To say 2 lines, 5 syllables on both. 5 syllables on both. I think one of my favorite things that I really like about doing Shakespearean theater specifically is, I just love, like, thinking about, whoa, I did not mean to almost walk into lava there. Is thinking about, like, what's it called? I forget the word. It's like stressing which syllable. Because some words sound so funny if you stress them the other way. Like, every single word we say that has 2 syllables, or even words that have 1 syllable, when we say them in sentences, we normally stress them a certain way. And I feel like there's a lot you could do in horror with people stressing their syllables the other way, because it sounds like really kind of uncanny. Unexplored trope, man. Just like this cave. Oh, damn it. Okay, well, tin is good, at least. Ooh, silver is also actually pretty good. I think I have a lot of both of those, but, well, a lot is quotes. Anyway, so we have that going, that bot code going. So the only thing we need to change is the way that we're doing the substrings, because we want to break it on the spaces, not on the one exactly. Because, like, what if we want to say we want to do, like, a row of 10? Then it's not going to be able to figure out what we're saying. It's just going to grab some spaces and the bot won't do anything. And that's not very fun. That's not very fun. We want to be able to say any number we want. Okay, lots of coal. Let me just get a little bit more. I might do some astral today. I don't know how, like... The only thing is so, like, I was gonna do, what is it called? Thaumcraft? And then Umbra was like, hey, by the way, it just, like, plays jump scare noises, like, sometimes, like, once you start going insane from it. And I was like, Okay, well that won't make for a very good stream if we do that all the time. So, if Astral doesn't play scary jump scare noises at you when you like advance in the mod, then I'm okay with doing it. That's my only condition. Log on, I will. Soon I must say. When I log on, do you want to play? Play what? I'm already playing Minecraft. I was gonna say something about the live action One Piece, and then I decided against it, but just enough to just throw a little thing in there about the live action One Piece. I feel like I have to just like mention it. Anyway, this looks pretty clean. I think the real test is to put a different number in. Like, let's try this. Well, let's give some coal. Let's try 8, 6, 4. Oh, Astral, I meant. Yeah, I'd be down. I just want to see. I just want to make sure. I just want to make sure, chat. He's going. He's doing it. Sublime! 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 Don't make me say it. You're gonna make me scream Sublime into the mic. Sublime! I need to watch Barbie again. Has it come out on, oh my gosh, it's so many Drowning Fridays. Okay, I'm drowning. I got a big thing of water here. Let me see if I can do the thing where I make it sound like a bird. I have no poings! You have no poings! Ha! Get poinged. There we go, that's the noise that I was trying to make. Everybody happy with that noise? Everybody having a good time with that noise? Okay. Sufficiently drowned, thank you very much. Wow, this is awesome. So it works now. That's great. I love that for us. And we'll be able to bypass that when I, have this program run on a thing. Advert I got sent by a bot. I want this to rhyme, so I will say not. Bam, 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 bam. I just like kind of accepted today that my debut is probably gonna be once I move into my new place. And I, like, in-game I am, no more rhyme I can. I just accepted that, like, my roommates are just gonna have to deal with me being a cat boy. Some of them, like, no. I don't actually know if, like, one of them that I lived with last year, they know I stream. They've been on stream before, like, in chat. But, like, I don't think the other guys, like, actually know that I, like, stream as a cat boy. Want to do some Astral? Let me just do one little thing. And then I am down. Sure. What I want to do is I want to figure out this, I just want to look into really quick, like, substrings by, can you do, like, it into... How do I access substrings? Can you index a string in Lua? How to extract a string? Because we might be able to go... I think I might need to do a loop and then, like, concatenate it. Like, let me just, like, show you guys what I think I have to do. And then I'm gonna take a break and we'll do Astral, but then I have to come back and we're gonna do RedNet stuff, chat. Everybody's favorite thing. Because I have to figure out how to get floppy drives on these bots. Yes, floppy drives. Okay, sorry. code capture. So what I think we need to do is have a function. I'm going to put it up here. This is going to be function input chunk, nope, input cut input. Yeah. It's gonna take an input in, and it's gonna end at some point. So in here we want to say for I equals 1. That is the worst thing for me to write in the entire world, but that's okay. For I equals 1, we want to go to the in.length. I don't know if that's the right way to get length of a string in Lua. Length of a string in Lua. Huh? Oh. String.len. You can just do a hashtag? That's so weird. Whatever, we'll do that. String.len in. And we go for that, and the step is 1. Then, and we want to say we need to pass... Oh, ew, that's gross. I don't want to do that. We need to... What do we need to do? Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out. So what we need to do is we need to say if... We'll use the substring, right? String.sub in I equals, there's a better way to check if it equals something, I think. Or there's the way. If it equals space, then if it doesn't, if it's not equal space, I don't remember how to do it, but then shit, because like I want to like start after the next space, you know. Okay, this is gonna take a little bit longer to do. I just want to do, I'll just do some astral. Let's do some stars. Let's get with it. The first thing to do is to find marble. Let me read your book. Let's read Hal's book. Hal's basic guide as a conquest of the cosmos. First, fist things first, okay? What is astral sorcery? Astral sorcery, known by Hal, is the conquest of the cosmos. Okay. It's the practice of using starlight and constellations to empower yourself. There are some important concepts you should know. Starlight can come in many forms, but you will mainly be using it in its ethereal form. It can also come in liquid form, created by light wells, and by some other means that I won't cover in this book. Okay. Starlight is essentially the energy of the stars, and the most important resources. Cool. Its main use is stuff, and most basic, we cover liquids are constellations. Okay. Structures, yes. Looking for one with a collector crystal. In the beginning, you will need a lot of astral sorcery, marble, and aquamarine. I probably have a lot of aquamarine, I'm not gonna lie. It can be found in the structures of ancients. Okay, let's look at astral. Achievements. Where are they? There we go. Gather a rock crystal. Okay. Discover bright constellation using the looking glass. Actually, is there... Yeah, I was about to say, I gotta go home. We're not doing this in the mining dimension. We're gonna go back to my my home world, baby. See, the thing about playing with me on this server is, like, I just jump around so much, and I don't even know if most people have my waypoints. So if you want to try and follow me on stream, you are kind of fucked. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm sorry. 2 minutes till TPA. Yeah, I can't really do anything about that. Okay, so we need an Akashic Tomb, I think, right? I don't have any dirt on me. God, why is, like, that the one thing? Let me take a sippy of soda real quick. Alright. Let's get some dirt. Me and the boys pulling up with dirt. How get out of Nether? You gotta use the the elevator. And you can, How did you get to my Nether base? Oh, you used my... There's a waypoint called Portal. Okay, Astral Tomb. Discovery. Okay, I had a bunch of these, and then I think I gave them to Hal. On further inspection, it seems they are written in such a way that they do not show charts. Okay, my brain. Wait a second. I gotta slow down. Inside chests, we find blank scrolls. Removing them causes a name to appear, along with strange drawing after collecting a number of them. So we gotta find some things. Is there like a compass I can build? Let's see. How? I'm gonna like run around a lot. The sextant? Okay. Does this help me like find them? How? I'm literally gonna run around. Oh, okay. Nope, can't make that. Anyway. I guess we'll just run around a lot. Just do some exploring. I'm probably gonna run around on the ground because we want to be able to, see the temples, so if I slime sling around, it'll probably be like a pain in the ass to find them. I'm gonna get like stuck on a tree or something, I know it. I've seen aquamarine before. I probably have some at least. I don't know if I threw it out, because I throw out a lot of things that I don't immediately need, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, let's see. Let's just go on a little adventure. I'm still thinking about that bot. So, that code... I heard a witch. Oh, no, those were parrots. I lied. I'm just gonna get up here so I can bounce around a little bit. Let's see. Temples, 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 temples. See, the thing is, like, you find so many of these when you don't want to find them, and then when you're looking for them, it's like, what the hell is even happening? You know what I'm saying? Good bee collecting route as well, probably, but it's fine. Oh, okay, that was water. Okay. What am I getting hurt by? I think I need to, like... Are you punching me? Okay, whatever. Yeah, so for that algorithm, I need to basically add... Ugh, it's hard because I need to, like, split it up into 3 segments. Oh, there's one over there. Perfect. Beautiful. Okay, so we'll just go in here and we'll ransack it, you know. Uh-oh. It's already open. Okay, well, that's awesome. Can I mine this? It says pickaxe level diamond. I do have an obsidian pickaxe. I have a cobalt pickaxe. Is it not going to let me mine it without an actual diamond pickaxe? That'd be kind of bullshit. I have this pickaxe too, which is also diamond. Astral sorcery. You can't get the crystal ever. Oh, okay, I see. Well, it's empty, so... But I need this marble. I'll take marble, I guess. Yeah, I need to make, like, 3 things. Yeah, I don't know. It's like, I need to be able to, like, keep track of, like, the index of the last space. So I might just, like, I wonder if it, oh, there's paper in here. Hehehehe. Looks like somebody didn't do a good job of looting this place. Oh, are you also stealing all this? Well, that's fun. Not even my loot, I guess? Okay, damn. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. I'll probably find more. I don't even know if I can pick all this shit up. Yeah, I guess if I keep track of all the indexes of space, then I shouldn't really have to worry about it. Oh, slime pearl. Nice, I like those. But, like, that kind of seems like a bullshit way of doing it. Like, there has to be some kind of nicer way of doing it, you know? Like, we loop until we get to... Oh, well, wait a second. We could just, like... Ooh, we could add it to an array! Oh, Chad, we could add it to an array! And have, like, each thing be on its, like, own index. So, you know, it's not really an issue that we would have, however many. And then when we go to space, you just add the next thing to the array. Oh, that's actually kind of perfect. And we'll have, like, a local pointer variable for it to, like, keep track of stuff. Oh, that's so good. Yeah, that's so much better. I was like, how can I just make a bunch of variables? And it's like, okay, well, maybe don't make a bunch of variables, big silly. And we'll have it, I guess, maybe just, like, have a temporary array. And then, yeah, oh, that's perfect. Oh, you're really just stealing all this, huh? Okay. Yeah, so then we can have... Huh? Oh, you're throwing it at me? I don't have space for it. I can put it in my bag. In one of my bags. Does it matter if it's, like, the marble arches or if it's, like, the marble? I have, like, a lot of it. I feel like that's good enough. Well, let's see what our gotcha pulls are, chat. We have to, like, look at these and discover them or something? Oh, no? It doesn't work like that? Oh, okay. Alright. Let's get out of here. Cool. What does it say about constellation paper? I already forgot. Oh, reading. I like reading, though. After collecting a number of them, it appears that each scroll... Removing them causes... a name. It doesn't, though. Oh, no. I gave you all of mine, so, like, these... I'm not going to be able to find anything on these. Like, do I need to have ones that are named? Because these aren't going to be named, because I found a ton of them, and I kept a ton of them, and then I gave them all to you. That's a later game? Okay, but, like, that seems kind of important. Ooh, basalt. I'll take this. I'll take a stack or so. I'll give you mine later. Oh, man, that sucks ass. I would have been like, no, find your own. Or I would have just given you constellation paper if I had found any. Man. Okay, that's a bit of a shame. Immersion breaking. I see some bees. Can I see? I mean, yeah, you can see. They'll probably, like, be things for you. I mean, maybe they won't, but I feel like they might if you... These are correct. Well, they're just unnamed. They're just dim constellations? Ah, okay. Okay. I just want to get... I love finding new black material. It just says it's on... No, see? It didn't have that before. It didn't say what these are. It says there's nothing here. Get good? Well, I already get good, and then I gave all my shit to you. So I didn't assume I was gonna play Astral. So I just want some basalts because I like having black materials that are different textures, and I already have another cool basalt. I'll just get like 2 stacks. And then I gotta go... I want to go program the thing, then. Getting a little hard to see. But I'm gonna bookmark this place, I guess, because I'll come back to it if I want more basalt. Okay. Bookmark this. We'll call this new basalt. Heh. No, put it back, basalt. Heh. Okay, time to go home. POV, you're playing Minecraft with Damie. He disappears every 3 seconds. You cannot follow him. It's impossible. Okay, marble. I'll have to empty all my marble in here, I guess. Good thing I have an ME system, man. What would I do without it? Truly. I would just suffer. Okay. Me right now. Lol. Yeah. Alright. We'll just put these up here. I might actually have some other ones up here, too. Oh, yeah. I have a bunch, I guess. Hal, you don't want to teleport to me while I'm here. I'm gonna go back to the mining dimension in like 2 seconds. I'm not gonna lie. Like... because I need to do bot stuff. Okay. Swag even. Let's go. Let's go here. Let's write some for loops. Rubs my hands together evilly. Okay. I grabbed my bot, right? Yeah, I got my bot. There we go. We'll just actually let me stick those books in here just in case to make sure they're safe. Okay, so let me get over here. What I want to do is, yeah, have an array. And I think it'll just be a local array that gets returned, because we don't really want to, like, have that data just, like, there forever. We don't want to, like, pre-create the array, I guess. And that's actually also really good because, oh, chat, this is so good because what we can do is then when we have our partition, we can just overwrite this array that we make because we're going to be like cutting it up anyway. And we can just format the RedNet like requests that it sends over to be an array like this and it'll be able to do it. It's perfect. Oh, wait. If it's an array, I can just pass in an array and like... Wait a second. We can just have it be an array and use the array. Like, I don't have to bother with all this, like, string to array stuff. It'll just... Oh my god, why did I not think of that? Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. It's a little convoluted. Okay. It's gonna have an input X... Okay, it's... You know what? I'm going to make my life easier. Yeah, we're going to do this. Input is going to be... This is going to be input X. Oh, this is so funny. Oh, we're going so funny here, chat. We're just gonna read 3 times. That's it. That's it. We don't need any of this BS. We're just gonna read it 3 times. We're just gonna read it 3 times, and then, yeah, when we have, like, an array here, and we pass in an array, we can just say, like, after this, we'll just say input x equals, like, array or something. I'm still a little confused on how RedNet stuff works, so we're gonna have to use GenTest to, like, practice with RedNet stuff, just, like, sending and receiving, and then, timing. Timing of the bots will be a very tricky thing. And also how to place them, or I guess if they're just going to move by themselves. Oh, timing them is going to be so annoying. No, wait, I actually kind of figured it out. We're going to have to send them in waves. Oh, we're going to have to do math to figure out what the timing is, because it's going to be based on how long each of them dig. Oh, this is so funny. Oh, but it's also going to depend on the how long it takes them to get to where they're digging. Okay. That's really funny. We'll figure that out. That's part of the RedNet. That's not part of this. Okay, so this should work. So we'll load this, and then I guess we'll just go to testing RedNet stuff. Who's ready for doing Wi-Fi in Minecraft? Everybody's favorite thing. Network errors in Minecraft. Oh, I fucking love being an engineer, dude. I am so... This is so dumb. Oh, it's awesome. I wouldn't change it for the world. Okay, we're gonna run dig, and it's asking us, so it's go 8, 4, 4. Wait, it printed nil? Oh, okay, wait, no, it's fine. That's actually fine. We're not gonna, there's no input. Input doesn't exist anymore. Oh, that's kind of scuffed, but it works. Oh, that's so funny to me. I don't know why it's so funny to me, but, like, it is. It's, like, not. It just, like, works. It's not, like, bad or anything. It's just, like... Oh, the issue? Oh, we can't separate it. If you write it all in one line, write it in 3 lines. Good shit, man. Good shit. Okay. Let's... Okay. Alright. We need to figure out how to have a turtle run a program on another turtle. That is the first step. So let's pull up the mom code. And now the mom code is way worse than the turtle code, okay? This sucks, okay? This actually sucks. Let's also, okay. Past Damie, why did you write this? Why did you write this? I gotta change that. Okay. Okay, so we have to get the chest. What is this? Oh, okay. Okay, I see. Function to get the length of a table. I think I made this because I started arrays from 0. Not sure if it's used. Oh no, we're off to a great start. Oh boy, we're up to a great start. Not sure if it gets used. Function to print a table. Named it after me. Oh no. Okay, we gotta clean this code up. Okay, let's start by finding get table length. Okay, it does actually get the table length once. I don't know if, like... I think you can just get the length of a table. Oh, this prints it, maybe? No, it just, like... This is so stupid, sorry. It just gets the length of a table? Wait, can you not get the length of a table in Lua? Okay, table, get table length in Lua. Let's just start by, like, cleaning it up, okay? It's the hashtag symbol. How do we find the table length in Lua? Pair. What? Wait, you have to write... You do not have to write code. Are you kidding me? How to get the number of entries is with the hashtag. Only lets me count entries with integer keys. What? What? Wait, what? Prince 1-1. Pairs? Wait, what? Oh. Oh. Okay, so we don't really have to worry about that because we can just use hashtag, I think, for the most part. So we're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna get rid of that. Actually, let's do this. Let's make a deprecated mom. Mom 1.0. Sorry, .lua. Fuck. .lua. Yes, deprecated. And we're gonna grab all this, and that's gonna go in here. Cool. So now I don't have to worry about messing anything up. We'll just delete as much as we want. Okay, delete this. I kind of don't want this to be called damie print. That kind of stupid, but that's fine. I think we can just do this. I'm not sure if I need the parentheses on it or not, but I think it'll work. Okay. Check if there's a peripheral. That's fine. Calculates the depth of cut, how far forward. In actuality, this is a function to identify the largest square that fits in the number of robots you have. Oh, shit. How did I have this algorithm work? Damie, my beloved mathematician. Thank you. I'm not really a mathematician. I like to call myself more of a mathemagician, but... Oh my gosh, we got it! Okay, well, I was literally saying earlier how there's a surprise for if you guys get 100%, because you already know I was going to do the textbook thing. Do you guys want to see the surprise now, then? You guys want to see the surprise? I was gonna start another community goal to do a little art reveal for my model, but I was like, why don't we just do it for this one? Because we already been new. This one was gonna end soon. So let me just take a... It's not gonna be the full thing. It's not the full thing, because I want to have some surprises. But, let me take a picture of it. Where is it? That is the wrong file. It's gonna be kind of scuffed. This is gonna be kind of scuffed. Oh, God, there's so many guides on it. Oh, no, wait. Oh, no, wait. Okay, it's gonna be a little scuffed for a second. I gotta move some shit around. Oh, actually, it's not that scuffed. Look at me being non-scuffed. Wild, right? Alright, let me take a screenshot of part of this. Should I just, like, make it really blurry? That would be funny. No, I'm gonna... Alright. I have to let me put it in, like, a... Hurry, Damie, hurry! I'm getting there. Okay. Let me just grab the image link. Alright. Where's my images? Images. State machine. Okay. Here we go, gamers. Properties. Okay, is everybody ready? Is everybody ready for the awesome model reveal? There we go. That's a smattering. a smattering. Winks. Winks and blinks and winks. There's a lot of cool stuff I have on the rig for this. It's getting there. I'm rigging it. It's getting rigged. Small ears? Oh, come on. Come on. It's not that small. They're still pretty big. Okay, they're not as grandiose as my current ears. But there's a lot of surprises for ears, okay? And the other thing is I will say the theme of my 2.0 model is like flexibility. I'm not going to say more than that, but yeah, that's what I'll say about that. Flexibility. Interpret that how you will. Your current ears are why I come here. Well, it's okay. I'm not debuting for a little bit. You get massive ear damie for a little longer. My ears are actually like, it's just funny because I didn't rig them with a ton of depth, so it doesn't look like I have as much turn on the X angle as I actually do. Anyway, what was I doing? Okay, yes, that's fine. Get number of turrets. Calculate, oh yeah, how it calculates depth of cut. So, for count 1 and to turtle count 1, if I is equal to count plus 1 squared. Huh? Oh god. Did I like... How did I like do this? I think I did it by squares, right? So like if 4, then 2 is the maximum like thing that you can put in it. And then yeah. So it's done by squares, which is kind of interesting. Did my music end? Did I end my music? Oh no, it's just really quiet. Sorry. I mean, it's usually quiet, but this is just a particularly quiet song. Well, we got it, gamers. I just want to say thank you for everybody for giving me your bits. They're not bits, actually, I lied. They're points. It's awesome. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do that ASMR stream at some point. I don't know when. It's definitely gonna be once I move. Unless somehow I manage to debut before I move, which is, like, kind of impossible. I've just accepted that I'm gonna debut after I move. Back out to California. But yeah. Well, because I want to do the ASMR. I want to do the ASMR with my new model because I want to clip it and like make stuff out of it. Guys, there's so much stuff I want to do in terms of like videos that I've just been holding off on because I don't have my new model yet, and it's like actually kind of driving me insane a little bit, just a little bit. Divides the area by the robots you have, then adds modulus to the robots incrementally so the remainder is spread out. Oh, I know what the partition function does. The partition function just like, you should try your best not to make me cry harder. Umbra, what are you talking about? What's wrong? You miss my giant ears? I can make a giant ear redeem. It's not that hard. It's very easy for me to add that into it. I'm going to start a petition to enlarge those ears. Look how much space my big-ass head takes up. That's partially why I have them a little smaller. But I just wanted my silhouette to not be like half ears. They're very, very cute and big though. The ears on this model are so unique. They're okay. I will be honest. My ears are incredibly lackluster on this model. Like they're very. I like having. Umbra, don't worry. Okay, there's a lot of things that are gonna be unique about this stream once I re-debut. Like, okay, don't worry, Umbra. Your ears are my favorite thing. Oh damn. Okay, well, I mean. It's a new era of ears, what can I say? The new ones are gonna be rigged so much better too, I swear. Like, I'm a fan of subtle physics, right? Like, my model is very subtle physics. I try to not have, like, I don't have a lot of eye physics that are, like, distracting or, you know, anything like that. It's a new era of me being sad. It's okay. It's okay. I'll add a big ear thing for you at some point. I will be honest, it is not on my list of things that I really need to do, because there are some things that I really need to do. But it'll happen at some point, probably. Okay, I need to, like, see what this prints, even. This is, like, insane to me. Yeah, okay, we need to figure out how to do this RedNet thing. That'll be our first thing that we just need to read some. I just need to read some. How to have another computer start a program on a turtle. Computer craft. Possible for one turtle to execute a program on another. One way to do it. Resource packs. No, that's not going to happen. The first turtle to carry a disk drive and a floppy disk with a startup you want the new turtle to run. This startup could contain instructions for copying files over, executing a program, etc. What you do is you place the disk drive, put the floppy in the drive, and then place the turtle by the drive. All that is left is wrapping the turtle you placed as a peripheral or turning it on via peripheral call side turn on. Okay. Once the turtle... How do I arrange for it to run a particular program? Ah, okay, so we can call it with a startup. Once you turn the turtle on, it will run whatever program is named startup on the floppy disk in the disk drive. So the disk with the floppy needs to be placed first. Can turtle A wrap turtle B, then call peripheral.call to execute commands in the OS? So when you wrap a computer, there are limited functions you can use. Turn on, shut down, reboot is on. You cannot actually run any code. Okay, so we can turn it on after having... You can also have each run the same code using hard drive to find the hard drive using GPS. That seems convoluted. Let's see. Running a program in another program. Okay, that's functions. That's not really... Shell.run. Oh, okay. Oh. Let's see. Starting with two turtles, turtle A and turtle B. A is in programs installed and a label. B is a newly crafted turtle with no label. Can turtle A place turtle B, assign it a label, and execute a command? This can be done relatively easy. A turtle that reboots while adjacent to a disk drive will use the startup file on the disk in the drive. Okay. $10 years ago? Oh my god! Okay, I don't exactly know how to set up the floppy disk thing. Disk drive takes priority even with no actual startup file. Turtle A connects the drive, writes out a startup program, and places turtle B adjacent to the drive. Next, turtle A uses peripheral.call front turn on to reboot turtle B. Okay. Okay. So we could have it like, oh god. Damie, look at, why are you spamming? Oh my god. Dude. Oh my god. If I can't see my Minecraft chat, you gotta write in Twitch chat. I'm not gonna see it in that. What do you mean scroll up? There's nothing in here. It's all just spam. Oh my god, okay, you have good news? Okay, what's the good news? I got a silicon press. Oh, nice. That is good news. This is not as good news. This is hurting my brain. So I need a disk drive. I need to make a disk drive, I guess, is the first thing. Let me just change this OST to a different one, because Star Fox is... I need to cut it up for it to actually be listenable. Oh my god, Bug, you can't spam that or I'm gonna time you out. I'm gonna time you out, Bug, if you spam that. You can't do that. Bro. If you need my attention, you can do it once. I can see my chat up. No spamming, please. Okay, I need to make a disk drive, and I need to make a floppy disk. Or if you really need to, you can ping me in the Discord or something, like... okay, disk drive and floppy disk. Let's do that. ME drive, disk drive. Okay, and a floppy disk. What color should we make? I kind of want to do orange. I like orange. God, I love that this stuff is so easy to craft. Fuck, man. Okay, so we got that. Oh, God. This is, like, brain melting. Let's see. Pi times pi divided by 2 pi divided by 2 equals pi. Yes. Yep, that's fractions. Although, if you, depending on how you... It would have to be, like, pi squared divided by 2 pi divided by pi. Or divided by 2, well. Pi equals 4? What? Pi does not equal 4. I mean, we call pi 4, or we call pi 3 sometimes in engineering, if you're in a machine shop, because it's easier to, calculate stuff when you don't have a calculator. Because 12 divided by, 3 is 4. And that's easy to calculate. Let's go to the mining dimension. We have our stuff. Pi to me is 3.1415. I mean, it is also that to me. It's also that to me. It's just like when I'm machining something on the lathe and I'm trying to set its, you know, spindle speed or feed speed or chip, you know, calculate. I think it's feed speed. I gotta use 3 because it's easier. Because then it's 12 V over D, baby. No, 4 V over D. 12 over pi V over D. But then it becomes 4. Okay, so let's see. I need to... So, okay. We need to... How do I get a program on a floppy drive? Put a program on floppy drive computer craft. Put a program on floppy drive computer craft. I put computer craft. There we go. Just like anywhere in a computer, you could edit, move, copy. To insert a floppy into a disk drive so it can be used, right-click and place it at the top of the drives. Okay, we have to use it in a disk drive. You're gonna try to code now? Good luck. Good luck. You'll leave MC? Okay. Good luck, Hal. Coding is not for the faint of heart. Alright. There we go. There's a floppy. It's in there. I think I need a computer next to it. Sorry, I'm just looking at this. I think I need an API for it. To save it, you have a couple options. You could just run edit disk file name. I just want to, like, do it with a paste bin. Oh god. If you want to quickly back up all your programs onto a disk, for file in pairs fs.list do. No, I just want to get one, please. You should have the floppy drive next to the turtle. Okay. How do I put it on there? Bro, I'm so bad. Okay. How do I transfer programs from my turtle to a floppy disk? If you put a turtle beside it, you should be able to see a disk folder on the computer. You can copy files in and out there as you please. Okay, so we need to, like, copy dig onto it. How do I list? ls. Disk? CD disk ROM? Copy dig.lua? Fuck. How do I go up one? Isn't up one like this? Fuck. I don't remember how to use terminal, bros. Fuck. Shell. No, it's not even shell. Computercraft API, please. Okay. Oh, you can make APIs? Whoa, I don't need to make an API. I need to actually go to the API of... Thank you. Okay, disk. Here we go. Okay, let me just try and set label. Set label. Name label. Disk. Turtle. Startup. What? How? What? Fuck. How do I get in there? Oh god. Checks whether any item is at all in the disk drive. Do I say disk dot? You're back? Awesome. Disk dot set label. Oh my god, what is this? How do I get this to do anything? Okay, I'm like rushing. I can't be rushing. We're gonna watch like a video on it. Let me do it on this. Disk drives, computer craft, floppy disks, okay. Okay. I've conceded. Oh, no, I'm not giving them free ad space. Get out of here. I did not hear it. Get out of here. Okay, there we go.
Hello everyone, FunshineX here, and this is the Computer Craft tutorial series, episode...
Oh, it's 11 years ago. This might not be good. Label set label name.
3. In the previous episodes, we made a master door unlock program, and also we made a program to lock and unlock the door with a password, and also to turn on lights on and off.
That's pretty cool.
This episode, I want to explore a little bit with the disk drive and how to write your programs, save them onto a floppy disk, and then you can put them onto other computers or even copy them onto turtles so that they can run your programs in the world. So that's the objective today. This house looks pretty much done, so let's go out here into the world. So I can open my door again here. And let's look around the rest of the town, find a good house to start building with floppy drives. All these are pretty small houses, don't have a lot of extra room.
Rose, trying to house shop. Oh, there's a little bird on my roof.
This one looks a lot different than the rest. It's got nice lighting. I'm liking this house. I've never seen this in the village. Is this your house, Mr. Man? Yeah, he seems to like this house. Okay. Oh, this sounds cool. Let's build our little
tuber boys,
right here.
tuber bit.
And our disk drive. And we need to get a floppy. I'm going to get a new one because I've already been writing on that one. And we'll get this floppy disk here. Okay, so you can put the floppy in the disk drive. The green light will come up. And then if you come in here and get a directory listing, you'll see a disk and a ROM. If we take this out of here,
okay, cool.
You'll see you just have the ROM. So that's like the onboard hard drive in there. So let's put the disk back in there. And we can go down to the disk level and see that there's nothing on it right now. Okay. And so let's edit a program. Okay, we'll call it the floppy test program. We'll print.
Okay, I don't want to do that.
Let's go around here.
Oh God.
I'm having typing issues. Yeah,
oh God, I don't want to do that.
Save that and exit. And you can see we can run our floppy test. If we did something wrong.
I need your help. It's so important. What's up, Umbra?
Lowercase.
I got you.
This is flop 2. Okay, so now we can take that floppy out of here. Let's bring it over here. Put the floppy in.
So then we can CD disk, and then you can run floppy 2. Okay,
okay,
cool.
So now we know that the floppy disk can be transferred between computers. Let's get another floppy. Put that one in there. Now let's try running floppy test. No such program. So what happened? Well, each floppy disk has its own storage that's on the computer, and you can find that if you go to your .minecraft saves folder, the name of your save, then go to computer, disk, and you'll see a folder for every floppy you've created. So the first one is the one I was testing.
I asked a girl if she would give me her blood for a vial necklace, and she replied, typically only couples do that. What do I respond with to pull her? You're the love mather. I know you know the answer. Okay, well, I wouldn't suggest asking for somebody's blood, like, off the, like, in the first, that's like a vampire, like, level, like, in the relationship, that's like a level, like, 60 thing, you gotta get there. Okay, yeah, okay, it wasn't the first message, okay, that's a little better. We're good friends, oh, okay, I don't have the best advice. I think, like, if you're friends, the best way to, like, see if somebody's, like, into you is just, like, if you want their blood, is it about you want the blood, or do you want them to be in a relationship with you? Yes. Because there's two different motives here that you can take two different directions on. Both? Okay, is it like a time-sensitive thing that you need the blood for? Or is that just like a blood, like, general kind of like life goal thing? Like, what is like the more important thing here? You know what I'm saying? Because, like, asking for somebody's blood is kind of... It's a general bonding thing. Okay. I don't require the blood. Okay. I think, like, the better thing is, like, if you want somebody to, like... how do I say this? Like, just pay attention to, like, how they react around you. And, like, you know, just like, do little things. And if you think that, you know, like, testing the waters by, like, because if you know them, like, well enough and you, like, think they're, like, into you, then you could be like, haha, like, yeah, I know that, like, it's a thing that couples do, like, like, flirt a little bit, you know? But, like, if you don't know that, I wouldn't, like, start by, like, saying that, you know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta, like, test the waters, essentially. And then you can just, I would just ask them. I've never been wrong in my travels by doing that. So, you know, can take that advice or not. I play the long game, though, so, you know. Okay, this
thing
is
with.
not...
2, here's our floppy test program. 3 will be blank.
Okay, it's
so
cool
that's
that you
why
can
floppy test
actually,
program is
like,
there. So you can also just come in here and
edit
run
those
this.
there.
And you'll see that here's our program, and I'm just doing the
That's
text
pretty
editor.
cool.
And this is a lot easier to edit in because you can select, you can do a ton of stuff. So I now edit everything in a text editor, not in the actual interface of ComputerCraft.
I didn't hear any of what you said. Can someone clip that? I just said, basically just, have Riz. No, just, like, if you think they're into you, then, like, you know, like, flirt with them, and then if, like, if you don't know, then, like, also just, like, test the waters a little bit, and then just be like, hey, yeah, maybe we should give each other a little bit of our blood. That's like kind of like a big move. I don't know if I would give blood to any of my partners that I've had. How is the blood being taken? I'm like really fixated on like the blood thing because I feel like that's kind of like a big kind of a big thing. I feel like that's like something you do at your wedding or something. I've never heard of it before though, so maybe it's just me. Okay, so I want to copy a program that exists from the computer onto the disk.
So the next thing we want to do is a startup program, make like a boot disk for a computer. And to do that, all you have to do is create a new text file.
Called startup.
Yes. It has to be called startup, or this won't work. Can you see this created a text document? I've got to do something really quick.
It's not like a lot of blood. Yeah, but still, like that's
uncheck
like
hide the extensions because these programs can't have extensions on them or they don't work. Okay, so now we can edit startup again. Okay, so what do we want to do? Well, we want to take if this program that we're going to write, which is floppy test, is already on the other computer, we need to delete it. So we do that by fs delete. I'm going to delete floppy test because otherwise it'll say it already exists. Okay. Then we want to do an fs dot copy, I believe it is. It might be a move. Let's try copy. Hold on, let me pause it just to make sure I get it right. Okay, so I had it right just the
oh god.
Again, cases is sensitive. So we're going to copy from the disk floppy test, and then the next location is where we want to copy it to. So let's just copy it to the root of our computer and just call it floppy test again. Okay, and then we have a really cool thing we can do. We're going to do a shell command, and that's just called run, and we're going to run our program.
This is giving me such... Oh, God. Okay, so I need to make... On the startup... I need to... Oh... Chat, my brain... My brain... Okay. Slow. Little steps. Little steps. Okay, so fs dot delete dig fs dot copy dig. Wait, maybe not. No, disk slash dig. But this implies that we already have it on the disk. This is like doing the opposite of what I want. Well, this is what we'll do after. And then comma to be dig, and then shell dot run dig, and we'll pass in parameters. Okay, so I'll just add a little comment here. Need to pass in the partition parameters from the mombot. Oh, this is gonna be complicated. Okay, if I don't know what the best thing to do here is, because I think I need to like do this off stream so I can just like stare at it and like have my eyes glaze over and be like, what do I do? Because essentially on this disk we need the code that we want to run, so we need to have dig on this disk. I don't know how to get dig on the disk is the issue. And then I need to be able to also do like the reverse of it and then copy dig onto the thing. Wait a second, actually I might be able to... Okay, let's try this, because turtles are just computers. Let's say, so we'll do dir, so we can see that we have disk and ROM and then dig. Because I didn't put dig in the ROM, okay. Okay, sure. Okay, we're gonna go into disk, so cd disk. And then we want to say get the paste bin, because that's our code that we want. So I'm just gonna try and get the paste bin the way that we normally get it. Okay. So we're gonna ls. So dig is on the disk, which is good. So now this I think I can maybe set label. Wait, how to set floppy label computer craft. How do I label a floppy? If you want to label it, I've tried using label command, but I always name it like disk /disk name of file when I want to set the name of the disk. Label set /disk. You don't use /disk, use the direction. So if you want to label a floppy inserted into the drive of the left side of the computer with the name foobar, you use the label left foobar. Okay, let's try to get out of disk. Okay, well, let's try that. Let's try label left dig. Okay, label get, label set, drive text. Okay, sure. Label set dig. Label set startup. No, should I name the disk startup? Label set master. We'll call it master, like master disk. Computer label set to master disk. No! No! I need to name it rev. No. Label set rev. Oh god. I want to name the disk, not the computer. You don't use /disk. Label set left. Okay, label set left master disk. Disk label set to master disk. Okay, there we go. So now if we look in here, that's master disk. Okay, good. We've done like 2 things. Okay, so we have our master disk and it has dig on it. Okay. Now dig can't be named dig. We are gonna have to name dig to startup. Which is like, whatever. But so this master disk is basically like a computer. It just can't really run, it can't like do the commands that a turtle can do. Okay. And it can only be accessed if we put it inside of a disk drive. Got it. And when we have a computer next to a disk drive, it's basically like it just gives it access to anything that it can do. It's like if you put 2 turtles together, they can just like interact with each other. Okay, I think I get it. So on this master disk, we need to have a program. Our program that is called startup we need to like have it override or something. Okay, I think we should actually watch the rest of this video because this might actually be useful. I think it might tell us.
Okay, so let's save that guy there. Now when I hit save here, it's gone back to my hard drive and it's already updated in Minecraft on that floppy disk. So let's go back to Minecraft and let's check our disk. Disk 2 is in this guy, right? Can't really tell, but let's come to the computer and edit start third. I don't know, let's do the regular thing. See, there's 2 programs on here. Edit,
okay.
Start up. And here's the program I just wrote outside of Minecraft. It appears in here. So all you have to do, edit it in the text editor, save it, it'll be in ComputerCraft. Really cool stuff. Okay, so now we know that's in there. So let's exit here. And how do we get this to run? Well, all we have to do is reboot my machine. This is floppy 2. Isn't that awesome? So what it did is the computer rebooted, and whenever ComputerCraft computer boots up, it will check to see if it has a disk drive attached to the computer on any side except the front. And if it does, it will look on that disk and see if there's a program called Startup. If there is, it will run that program. Really cool. So
It'll run startup. Okay, let me take out my thinking here. So I could run, like what this guy just showed, I could just run dig. I could run dig directly, like as I could put the dig file as the startup file. Or I could have the startup file be something that passes dig along to it, and then I like that it passes dig along to it because no, it doesn't really matter because it's always going to be updated on the master drive either way. I think I need to do it this way, actually. I don't think I can do it the other way. Because it's gonna run startup, but, like, it won't have... I'm gonna do it this way, I guess. But the one thing I need to do, then, is have this computer have the different... Oh, the different partition code for each bot. Because we need to pass it the... Oh, God. No? Okay, wait a second. So what's gonna happen? This is what's gonna happen. Let me, like, show you. We'll, like, do a little demo. I think I have all the pieces, so we'll just, like, steal it. Okay, so I have the mom bot. We're gonna put the mom bot down. So normally we'd put the bot here to start, right? We're gonna put the mom bot here. And the disk drive... Here? No. Here? Yes. Here. Okay, so we have the disk drive and the floppy disk will be placed in it. So the mombot will, like, go forward one, place that, put the disk drive in it. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, then what'll happen is they'll place a bot. They will... I'm thinking in my brain so hard right now. They'll reboot the bot. The dig needs to have the parameters that are passed into it from the mom, though. Okay, maybe it doesn't run it. No, it has to run it because the disk needs that. Ah, god damn it. Maybe we put a wait, and we wait for the... We load it onto it, and then we wait for the command from the mom to send the coordinates to the bot, and then... Because it'll keep track... Okay, that's how it is. That's how it is. That's how it is. Okay, we need to, like... Let me write this down. So, okay. The way that this works is... Okay, so mom... Okay. My brain is like... The pathways are being formed in real time. Okay, so 1. Mombot places the disk drive and disk from inventory. 2. Mombot places first turtle. Mombot MB reboots turtle. 4. Turtle gets dig loaded onto it, which starts running and waits for a rednet message with instructions on where to go. 5. MB sends message over rednet containing instructions. Turtle leaves. MB places this and ender chest above MB. Places next turtle. Waits for a mathematically calculated period of time based on which turtle is out and how much time it needs to clear the starting position for the second turtle. Then then 5 happens. While turtle is waiting for rednet. Turtle is waiting for rednet. Then sends out message and repeats. Okay. So I think that's the basics of it. And the mombot is gonna run all the partition stuff before this happens. So we won't really have to worry about it not having the numbers. Now, how do I want to store all this? Because the idea is that I'm going to be having the mombot down. We're not going to write this today. Okay, but MB inventory. 1 is going to be the ender chest. Because that's just my, basic idea for, turtles. Oh, God, I forgot. They each need to have an ender chest placed into them, too. Oh, boy. Okay, we need 2 ender chests. Above MB, and then turtle. Turtle. Ender chest to left of MB. Then ender chest, ender chest. Okay, 1 is gonna be the turtle ender chest. 2 is gonna be the ender chest. Ender chest. Places ender, puts ender chest in turtle. Then it says, okay, 3 is going to be disk drive. 4 is going to be floppy. Oh god, okay. Because all that stuff will get placed, but I don't want to have to be the one to place it every time and set it up. Is there anything else that needs to get placed? No, because her inventory will always have 1 as the turtle slot, because this stuff gets placed, and then 1 becomes turtle placing slot. Other inventory. Empty. And she'll never run out of fuel because she's not moving. So, oh dear god, this is going to be complicated. Alright, I'm going to wrap it up for today. I will look into some of this stuff. And I'm gonna finish rigging my model. Oh, actually, no, I have to do some I have to do some engineering work today. Oh god, yeah. Yeah, I have to do engineering work today. I will be back, Thursday, I think? I think I said Thursday. I think that it's a tentative stream date, but it'll be Thursday or Friday. Yeah, everybody take it easy. Hope you have a good day. Next time we will come back, and hopefully I will know a little bit more about how Red Knight works. But, you know, knowing me, I'm probably not going to do anything off stream, so... Alright. See you guys later. Have a good day.